Want to stop others from commenting on your Facebook posts? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments on your Facebook posts. Now let's get started. To turn off comments on your Facebook posts, open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Find the post you want to turn off comments on. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Then select Who can comment on this post. Now you can choose who you want to be able to share comments on your post. Public, friends and established followers, friends, or only profiles and pages you mention. If you haven't tagged anyone, choosing the Profiles and Pages You Mention option will effectively turn comments off. Tap the option you want to choose, then tap Done to save. Repeat these steps to turn off comments on any other posts as needed. Note that you'll only be able to change the setting for who can comment on a post if a post is set to public. If you've chosen another privacy setting, such as Friends Only, you will not see the option to change who can comment on your post. That's all it takes to turn off comments on your Facebook posts. Want to make your Facebook account private? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.